welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh, and I'm Poonam. So first tell me, how do you like this look? Am I looking good or beautiful? If yes, then yes. In today's video I'm sharing this look with you, and achieving this look is so easy. You will get to know if you will stay connected with me till the end of this video. And yeah, one more thing, this eye makeup is specially inspired by Smithadeepak. I'm a huge fan of her. She's so brilliant, so talented. Her every makeup look is so flawless. So I just tried her one makeup look, which is golden smoky eye look, and this makeup look can be carried on every function with every kind of dress, whether it is Indian, Indo-Western or some Western. So I just love golden smoky eyes, so I tried out it, and also sharing with you all to let you know that it is so easy to create golden smoky eyes. So stay connected with me till the end of this video. So now we will fly directly to my video. So here I am starting my face makeup with this Wet n Wild foundation, as I have already put on my primer. So first I will do my face makeup, then we will focus on eye makeup. So I have put my foundation, and now I will blend it properly all over in dabbing motions. So the picture you are watching on my screen is of Smithadeepak, and I'm trying to achieve that kind of golden smoky eye look. So for that eye makeup I'm starting with this concealer. This is from Wet n Wild in the shade medium. So I have put that concealer on my eyes. So now I will blend it properly with this wet blender. So after blending it, I will set this with this compact so that my eyeshadow will set smoothly on my eyelids. So yeah. So for eye makeup I'm using this Revolution palette, and I'm starting with this light brown shade as my transition shade. So I will apply this shade as my transition in my crease lines. So yeah, you can watch I'm blending it properly, this light brown shade, so it will enhance the look of that golden smoky eye look. Whenever you do any kind of smoky eye look, the brown shade will every time enhance the look of your eyes. So after that I'm using this golden shimmery shade over my eyelids, and now I will gently apply it with the help of a flattened brush properly to my complete eyelids. So all you need to do is just apply this color or this shade over your eyelid completely with the help of your finger or some brush, and then you are done, almost done, and you will achieve this look. So after this I'm using this eyeliner. This will just complement this golden color. Golden and black is always my favorite, so just put this eyeliner. So yeah, done with this. So now I will curl my eyelashes, and now I will put some mascara on my eyelashes to give them a good volume. So I have put 2-3 quarts of this Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. So after that I will do my rest of the eye makeup, which is the under my eyes. So I have put this concealer under my eyes. So after blending it, I will set it also with this compact, so it will not cause any crease lines. So I'm using the same brown shade for highlighting my lower lash line. So now I'm using this black kajal to give my eyes a big look and to complementing my eyeliner. So done with the kajal, now I will do my eyebrows with this Miss Clear black shade pencil. So yeah, I just love this pencil. Grooming your eyebrows is must if you want to enhance the look of your eye makeup. So after that I'm just doing a bit of contouring with the light brown shade from the palette, also doing my nose contouring. And so now I'm using this peachy pink blush. So after using this blush, my face is looking more fresh and gorgeous. So I have put some highlighter to enhance the glow of my face. So using that highlighter over my nose, my upper lips and my chin, and also using that on my forehead. So for completing the look, I have used this red lipstick which will complement my eye look. So yeah, I'm using a little bit of highlighter over my brow bone and my inner corner. So I have just giving it touch of ombre look to my lips with the golden shade over my lipstick. So yeah, almost done with my makeup. So this is the final look. So how do you like this look? Yeah, so these are the some beauty glimpse you can enjoy. So I hope you like this video. It was so easy, yeah? I said you that it is so easy to create this kind of smoky golden eye look. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, because I want you to stay connected with me, because I'm gonna come up with very different kind of makeup looks and also skincare videos on my channel. So subscribe my channel and we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.